Welcome back to The Blend. It's one of the scariest things to hear, that you've been diagnosed with cancer. If you find yourself in the fight of your life, you're going to want a strong team in your corner, and you'll find one in Nevada Cancer Specialists.
Joining us now is Dr. Russell Gollard, Medical Director of Nevada Cancer Specialists. Welcome to the show.
How are you,
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Yes, and I have to say, I learned something this morning, that there's this old saying here in Las Vegas, and it said, if you have something seriously wrong with you medically, you should go to the airport to fly elsewhere.
Yes.
That is changing. Tell us why.
Yes. Well, we've seen a growth in the medical community here. There's more and more specialists that are coming into town. We have new medical schools that are here now. And what we're doing at Nevada Cancer Specialists is adding one more set of options for people so they can come over for diagnosis, treatment, and expert opinions on a variety of different cancers and hematologic conditions.
It's really more than one set of options. There's you guys cover practically the whole gamut.
Yeah, we sure do. Every kind of cancer there is.
Wow, that's incredible.
Wow.
So what can we expect from the practice? What are the locations? What do we expect when we walk through the doors?
Well, right now we have two locations, one at Oakey and Decatur, another out on Fort Apache. We're in the process of adding a third location, which will be adjacent to Mountain View Hospital. We will then be adding a location in Henderson, but our flagship location is going to be a 55,000 square foot building, which will be close to UMC and Valley Hospital at the corner of Charleston and Rancho. And there we will offer the whole gamut of diagnostic procedures, including some biopsies. We will have, as well as medical oncologists, hematologists on staff, and we'll be able to do a variety of different things at one location, including medical imaging, such that people can essentially do one-stop shopping.
Yeah, exactly. As opposed to, oh, well, we found this. Here's what you have to do. Here's some directions. Drive 45 minutes that way.
Exactly.
You don't have to do that.
And that can be really confusing for people, and I think oftentimes people will leave town because they want to do everything in one location. They want to be able to walk upstairs, get a biopsy, see another physician, and they want to know that physicians are going to be talking about them, talking about their care, doing the conferences, looking at their imaging, looking at their pathology.
Cancer's tough enough. The treatment shouldn't be so tough.
Exactly. And there are more and more options as time goes on. There's not just chemotherapy, which had such a bad rap for so long. There's immunotherapy, there's radiation therapy, surgeries. So we really hope to make it so people aren't making that proverbial trip to the airport.
Right, exactly. I'm glad to hear that you're expanding, you know, and offering all these cutting-edge technologies to the folks here in town. Cancer, it's a diagnosis people fear, like literally fear. There's so many questions when it comes up. Let's talk about some of the terminology around a diagnosis.
Absolutely. Well, what cancer is a proliferation of cells, usually starting with one cell, and what it's manifests by is uncontrolled growth. You can virtually have any organ or part of the body as a source for one of these proliferating cells. And what can happen, of course, is you can get cancer cells spreading to different parts of the body. And that's why early diagnosis and treatment, state-of-the-art treatment that is so important.
Absolutely. And I know if there's any questions, people can reach out to you, and it's great getting to have you on.
Absolutely.
You can cancel the airline flight. You just cancel it and you're ready to go. It's great having you.
That's right. Dr. Gollard, we're going to take care of you right here at home.
That's right. Nevada Cancer Specialists. They have locations throughout the valley. To learn more, visit their website or call the number on your screen. Southwest Medical Associates, they're a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.